This is gonna blow your mind. I'm Pankaj Sharma, and today I'm your guide to making sense of overwhelming data. Too much data, too many features. What if you could shrink your data without losing the story? I'm here to show you Principal Component Analysis, or PCA, the ultimate technique to simplify your data. So what is PCA? Imagine you've got a massive spreadsheet bursting with columns. PCA is like compressing a giant photo. You keep the important details and toss out what you don't need. It transforms high-dimensional chaos into fewer, more meaningful dimensions. You end up with data that's easier to handle and tells the same story, but with fewer words. Let's break that down with a real-world analogy. Picture a coffee mug sitting on your desk. Now shine a light on it and look at its shadow on the wall. The shadow is just a flat outline, but you can still tell it's a mug. That's what PCA does. It projects high-dimensional data into a simpler space. So you can still see the essence, but in fewer dimensions. But why should you care about PCA? Well, PCA helps you speed up your machine learning models, strip out noise, visualize complex data, and dodge overfitting. Basically, it's about making your data and your life easier. Think of it as cleaning out your closet. You keep what matters and your space becomes more functional. Now, let's see how PCA works step by step. First, standardize your data so every feature plays fair. Next, find the directions in your data with the most variance. These are called principal components. Then, rotate your data so it lines up with these new directions. Finally, drop the less important dimensions and keep only those that matter most. That's it. Standardize, rotate, select, reduce. Let's put this into action. Imagine you've got 3 features: height, weight, and age. PCA can squish all that into just 2 dimensions, making it perfect for visualization and faster training. Suddenly, your scatter plot goes from a confusing 3D cloud to a sharp 2D picture. Cleaner data, quicker results. A few important notes before you dive in. PCA is unsupervised. It doesn't care about your target variable. You might lose some interpretability since principal components are combos of your original features, and PCA isn't great for every data type like text or categories. So use it wisely. To wrap up, PCA is your best friend when you've got too many features and not enough clarity. It helps you simplify, visualize, and boost model performance. Use it when your data is wide and you need to see the big picture. If you learned something new, hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and ML made simple.